Hello student, welcome to this new video lecture related to manufacturing industries. Here in this video we are going to discuss about aluminium smelting. So our topic of the day is aluminium smelting. In last videos we have studied about cotton textiles, about jute industry, about sugar industry, and in mineral based industries we have already finished about iron and steel industry. Like iron and steel industry, aluminium industry too is a heavy industry. It requires aluminium ore. And what is aluminium ore? Aluminium ore is bauxite. Bauxite is aluminium ore. And in the process of making 1 ton of aluminium requires 4 to 6 tons of bauxite. So you can imagine how much bauxite is required for making 1 ton of aluminium. So we require plenty of raw material, and for smelting purpose, for electrolytifying, we need electrolyte, cryolite in furnaces. So we shall discuss all about it line by line. But you must know this is also a heavy industry. And what should be the ideal location for such a heavy industry? Similar to iron and steel industry, it must be located, it should also be located nearby a place where there is the availability of raw material in proximity. Proximity means in abundant measure, in sufficient measure. Furthermore, electricity availability, coking coal availability for blast furnace, transportation facility, and other required things, market, cheap labor, all these things are a must for the centralization of this industry. We shall also discuss in the video itself how important is aluminium industry for India. What is our position in Asia for aluminium? What is our position in the world for aluminium? We are going to discuss all these things in this class. So let's begin line by line from textbook. So page number 74 in your textbook, in NCERT textbook. Aluminium smelting. Aluminium smelting is the second most important metallurgical industry in India. Second most important metallurgical. After iron and steel, aluminium is second most important. The first one is iron and steel, and the second most important is aluminium industry. It is light in comparison of iron and steel. It is light in weight. It is light in weight, resistant to corrosion. It does not corrode. It is resistant to corrosion. A good conductor of heat. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity. You may have seen aluminium wires in the cables at your houses. Malleable and becomes strong when it is mixed with other metals. It is malleable, it can be stretched, it can be beaten and stretched. Along with it becomes hard when it is mixed with other metals. Becomes strong when it is mixed with other metals. It is used to manufacture aircraft. What is the use of aluminium? Aluminium is used for making aircraft. You know very well. Aircraft flies in the sky, and for flying its weight must be comparatively weight must be low. So if we use steel, that is quite heavy in comparison of steel, is quite heavy in comparison of aluminium. It is not easy as to fly in the sky for aircraft. That is why we use aluminium and mix it with other metals to make it hard. In our houses, pressure cooker and some other utensils, frying pans are mostly made of aluminium. Utensils and wires, as I told you, utensils, pots that we use in our houses. Along with wires, we have already discussed about wires. The cables we use for electricity mostly made up of aluminium because it is cheaper than that of copper. It has gained popularity as a substitute. It has gained popularity as a substitute. It can be used in place of steel, copper, zinc. It can be used in place of all these metals. So it has gained popularity after getting the place of substitution. Like we can have tea in place of coffee, we can have coffee in place of tea. In the same way, we can use aluminium in place of steel, you can use aluminium in place of copper, we can use aluminium in place of zinc. So all these can be used as substitute for the steel, copper, zinc and lead. So that is the reason why it is so popular in India. In number of industries it is used. Aluminium smelting plants in the country are located in Orissa. What is the location of these industries? Aluminium smelting plants in the country are located in Orissa, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. These are the states where we can find aluminium smelting plants? Reasons you can give easily. Why? Because these are the places where the suitable atmosphere, suitable conditions, availability of raw material, everything is available, easily available, cheap labor, electricity, everything is available. In 2014-15, India produced about 3.96 million tons. What was the production? 3.96 million tons. Of aluminum. And if I ask you, if India produced 3.96 million tons, then surely we had to smelt 16 to 24 million tons of bauxite. Surely we would have utilized 16 to 24 million tons of bauxite. As I told you, we require 4 to 6 tons of bauxite for making 1 ton of aluminium. So 3.96 means 4 and 4 means 4 4 is 16 or 4 6 is 24. Bauxite, the raw material used in the smelters, is a very bulky. It is heavy, bulky material, dark reddish colored. And what is its color? It is dark red in color. The flow chart given below shows the process of manufacturing aluminium. We shall study about it in next video about that flow chart. Regular supply of electricity. Another important thing that we must know, there are two factors basically. Regular supply of electricity along with an assured source of raw material at minimum cost, at cheap cost. Availability of raw material at cheap cost are the two prime factors for the location of an industry at any particular place, whether it is Orissa, whether it is Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal or anywhere else. Regular supply of electricity along with regular supply of raw material at cheap cost. It is a must. So we shall study the remaining chemical industries in next video, in next class. Thank you very much.